The Tesla app logs you out due to a combination of security measures, session management, and occasional bugs. Primarily, Tesla uses OAuth 2.0 authentication, which employs session tokens that expire for security reasons. Session tokens typically expire after 30 days of inactivity or sooner if there's a detected security risk like a password reset or unusual login attempt. Weak internet connections, VPN use, and issues with app permissions like location access can also invalidate your session, leading to frequent logouts. While frustrating, these measures are designed to protect your account and vehicle from unauthorized access. Troubleshooting Step 1. Basic checks. Start with the simplest solutions. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issue. Second, confirm you're using the latest version of the Tesla app from the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Outdated versions can have bugs that cause logout problems. Finally, force close the app and reopen it. This can often clear temporary glitches that might be causing the issue. The next step is to verify your password and two-factor authentication setup. Double-check your Tesla account password. If you recently changed it, make sure you're using the correct one in the app. Also, verify that two-factor authentication is properly set up. Go to your Tesla account settings on the website to confirm your phone number or authenticator app is correctly linked. If you've recently switched phones or changed your 2FA method, this could be causing the problem. Try disabling and re-enabling 2FA. Now let's check the Tesla app's permissions and settings, which are often the cause of logout issues. First, review the Tesla app's permissions in your phone's settings. Ensure the app has necessary permissions, particularly location access, as this is required for vehicle communication. On iOS, check the app tracking transparency settings to ensure Tesla is allowed to track activity if desired. This can affect app stability. On Android, clear the app's cache and data. Note that this will require you to log in again, but it can resolve persistent logout issues. Finally, disable any VPNs or ad blockers that might interfere with the app's connection to Tesla's servers. These can cause authentication problems. If the previous troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the Tesla app logout issues, the next option is to reinstall the app. This process creates a fresh installation free of any corrupted files or settings that might be causing the problem. Begin by restarting your phone. This clears any background processes that might be interfering with the app's functionality. Next, uninstall the Tesla app completely from your device. On iOS, press and hold the app icon, then tap the minus sign. On Android, go to Settings and select Apps to uninstall. After uninstalling, restart your phone again to ensure all app-related processes are cleared from memory. Now, download the latest version of the Tesla app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Make sure you're getting it from the official Tesla source. When you first open the reinstalled app, you'll be prompted to grant various permissions, such as location access, notifications, and storage. Make sure to allow all necessary permissions for the app to function properly. This fresh installation approach often resolves persistent session management problems and improves app stability. If issues continue after reinstalling, you may need to contact Tesla support for further assistance. If the Tesla app logout issues continue after completing all previous troubleshooting steps, it's time to reach out to Tesla support for assistance. Persistent logout issues often stem from server-side account problems or known bugs that Tesla is actively working to fix. You can contact Tesla support through three main channels: the Tesla app itself if you're able to log in, the support section on Tesla's website, or by calling their customer service phone line. When using the Tesla app to contact support, navigate to the Settings menu where you'll find the support options. This interface shows the app's main screens, including vehicle status and reminders. Before contacting support, gather important details to help them diagnose the issue quickly. Be ready to provide your Tesla account information, your phone's model and OS version, the app version, and a clear description of when the logouts happen. Tesla's support team can often resolve account-specific issues or provide fixes for known bugs through updates or server adjustments. Tesla uses session tokens to keep you logged in securely. These tokens expire after a set period, usually around 30 days, or if there are security concerns. Session tokens are temporary keys that allow secure access without repeated logins. They work like a digital pass that proves your identity to Tesla's servers. Tokens expire automatically after about 30 days to maintain security. They can also expire immediately if the system detects potential security concerns, like unusual login patterns. The Tesla app constantly synchronizes with Tesla's cloud servers. This connection enables vehicle control and data access, ensuring your commands reach your car securely. Interruptions in this connection, such as weak internet signals or app permission issues, can invalidate session tokens and force a logout. This is a deliberate security measure to prevent unauthorized access. This session management system balances user convenience with robust security, ensuring your Tesla account and vehicle remain protected from unauthorized access. The future of Tesla app login security is evolving toward more seamless authentication methods. Biometric methods like Face ID and fingerprint login will provide instant, secure access without remembering passwords. Tesla may integrate predictive logout prevention using machine learning to detect and resolve session issues before they occur. Broader trends point to increased app ecosystem integration, centralizing authentication across multiple devices to reduce logout frequency. While privacy regulations may introduce user-controlled settings for session durations, the overall goal remains balancing robust security with a more user-friendly experience. These advancements promise a future where Tesla app authentication is both seamless and highly secure.